My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Audi E-tron. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Next up is our virtual cockpit. On the first page of our screen, we can access key features such as phone apps for CarPlay, navigation, and our vehicle settings. On the second page, we have users, weather, and news. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.